Shout out to my nigga Pharaoh. I came with the yeah. The hip-hop police, they been at me, cause I'm preaching self-love and self-mastery. Yes, I am. I came to talk about the God in you. God us and God's how we gotta move. For sure. When we was the slaves, what the Bible do? Confuse us, no, you can't be high as us. Take away knowledge, it's easy to hide the proof. Fucked up. So much power inside of you. Right.
So, some DNA healing herbs. So, turmeric. Most of the herbs in this, if not, I think almost all of them, to be honest. Yeah, I think almost all of them are really high in antioxidants. Antioxidants help kill the free radicals, as well as help repair certain parts of the cell. Right? Activated charcoal is a detox. It basically is not able to be absorbed, but it attracts a lot of heavy metals. You follow me? Heavy metals, nanotech. Feel me? Heavy metals, nanotech. Yeah. So it attracts that, but it can't be absorbed by the body, so it just goes right out the body. Right? Chlorella has chlorophyll in it, and it just has a whole bunch of fucking nutrients that help feed the cells. You want to have that. Cilantro, what cilantro does is that it helps pull out the toxins that are inside of the organs, right? And then the chlorella helps push it out. Rosemary is good for the DNA. Amalaki, bipitaki, and harataki are all fruits, and these fruits are really high in antioxidants, vitamin C, some of the trace minerals. It really helps heal your DNA. Trust me on that one. Garlic, antioxidant spirulina, it has a lot of nutrients high in chlorophyll. The same with wheatgrass and peppermint leaf, believe it or not. Now, peppermint leaf is also good. So I have a DNA detox. If you're interested in the DNA detox, I have it on my website. If you go to the tabs, it's called the DNA Detox. It's where I actually have my own DNA detox, and I can ship it to you because I want to help those who feel like they want the help, because some people need help, but some people don't acknowledge that they need help. You know what I mean? So for those who want the help, I got you with the help. Cymetic Frequencies. David Hustle is credited, remember he's just credited, with the recognizing sound resonance as a basic principle of good health. He studied how certain sounds and frequencies could activate DNA and discovered that biochemists used the 528 hertz frequencies of the solfeggio scale to repair DNA. So 528 hertz frequencies of the solfeggio scale helps repair your DNA. So remember, cymetic frequencies is basically putting a sound on an object, and then that object, the molecules and the atoms are shaping to form a shape depending on the actual frequency of said sound. So if the sound is like really high pitch, it'll make a certain shape. If it's low pitch, it'll make a different shape. If it's up by 100 hertz, it'll make an even different shape. So that's basically cymetic frequencies. But some of those shapes are healing shapes. So what it's saying is that 528 hertz frequency helps. I'm sorry. That frequency, the shape of that frequency helps repair the DNA. That vibration helps repair the DNA. Yes, that's what that's saying. Collodials. Some people may not know what collodials are, and this is a good time to mention them, because we all know that we be mixing like magnesium and phosphate and some other stuff, but we're missing collodials. We're missing the golds and the platinums and the silvers and the your body can use that. Yeah, you ain't know. So a colloid, what the fuck? Colloid. A colloidal, yeah, it's a misspelling. Oh, Excuse me. A colloidal is a type of homogeneous mixture in which the dispersed particles do not settle out. The insoluble particles in the mixture are microscopic with particle sizes between 1 and 100 nanometers. The mixture may be termed a colloidal, a colloid or colloidal. Oh, I guess it wasn't a misspelling. No. Suspension, excuse me. Colloids are clear due to the nanoparticles being of almost atomic size, where the where the tidal light shattering effect does not operate. That is not the word, but that part is not important to this anyway. So colloidal is basically a metal that is inside of a solvent, and it's in nanoparticles. So nanoparticles of the actual metal, like gold or silver or platinum or copper, are put into a solvent, and you're able to ingest that solvent because, like, your pineal gland uses colloidal platinum, colloidal gold, and silver and things like that to actually heal and activate and work. You know what I mean? So colloidals help repair your DNA too. So get yourself some colloidals. Sun gazing, I say this all the time, man. Sun gazing is that important. You have to be out in the sun and look at the sun or around the sun during sunrise or sunset. This is so crucial. Like this is not no small thing. You have to get the sun, because the ultraviolet rays of the sun heal your DNA. They increase your light body. They help increase your consciousness. Like it's crucial. But for some reason, we're always in a car, we're always in a house, we're always at work, inside of a building. You know what I'm saying? We're never outside. You had to be outside and sit there and really like get that sun, because the sun is only increasing in frequency. The vibrations are only increasing, meaning the heat is increasing. You need to get the sun because it's changing. And if your body is not able to handle what's coming, well, your kids and your kids' kids are about to feel that shit. Get the sun. Get the fucking sun. Yeah. Nutrition. Now this should go without saying, but you need to eat right. Like, if you don't eat right, you're fucked. You know what I'm saying? Like, you need to eat a variety of leafy greens. You need to eat your fruits and veggies. I'm sorry. Yeah, your fruits and veggies. You need to be drinking your water, your teas. You know, you need to be doing, fucking. Excuse me, family. It's a little late over here. So yeah, you want to be eating right. Like, you know what to do to eat right. You know that you're not supposed to go to that McDonald's. You know you're not supposed to go to Taco Bell or Sonic. You know what I'm saying? You know that you're supposed to be cooking at home. You know that you're supposed to be eating your kales, your watercresses, your cilantros, your broccoli, your cabbages, your onions, your green peppers, your red peppers, your orange peppers, your cucumbers, your jalapenos. You know this. You know this. We all know this. So do it. Next, relax. Stress causes issues and it damages your DNA. You have to take time to just relax. Stressing out fucks you up. It fucks up your heart as well as your DNA. You need to relax. I know it's difficult because they have people in this rat race. You know what I'm saying? But you must find time to relax. Every day, at least 10. I was gonna say 30, but at least 10 minutes a day. Find time to just be self. be by yourself, for self, with self. Like, just no phone, no music. If you can do it with no cars around you, great. I would do it preferably in nature, but just get out. Shit.